Hey guys, what's up? This is Bharat Nagpal. You're watching iGyaan. Xiaomi is really taking on the home and accessory space in India, and today the company has launched the Mi trimmer. Let's quickly unbox it and see what it looks like and if it's any good for a price of rupees 1199. Let's get started. Now, a beard trimmer is one of those things that a lot of guys buy, and even if everyone doesn't use it, almost 1 out of every 2 people has a trimmer at home. The Xiaomi beard trimmer has some interesting specifications that you would usually relate with premium beard trimmers. Now, the box is pretty simplistic and the packaging is very Xiaomi-like. You saw a similar packaging with the bulbs as well. So inside the box you do get a document which basically tells you a few different types of beard styles. It's also a quick use guide, so it tells you how to detach and attach the combs and also turn on or charge the trimmer. Let's proceed. The box is laid out in a dual open style fashion, so on the left is the trimmer and on the right are the rest of the accessories. Xiaomi has included a carry case inside the box, which is a really nice add-on. You also get a standard Type 8 charging cable, but it's a USB cable on one side, so you can plug it into any USB port at your house or use any of your USB chargers to charge this device. You also get 2 combs on this. One is already on the trimmer and you also get a larger style comb. You also get a cleaning brush, which is pretty standard for all sorts of beard trimmers. Let's take a look at the trimmer itself. Now, this is the trimmer. It's a pretty nice looking trimmer. It's got a matte finish and a nice grippy rubberized coating on it. Gives it a nice premium look. On the bottom is the charging port, so you'll have to lay it flat when you're charging it. The trimmer has a total of 20 settings and you can have it increase at 0.5 mm. Starting at 0.5 mm all the way to 20 mm, you can have up to 40 settings. So from 0.5 to 1 to 1.5 to 2 to 2.5, and it goes on till 10, and then you swap the comb out and pop in the 10 to 20 comb, and that will allow you to go from 10 all the way to 20. Now, if you charge the trimmer for about 5 minutes, you get a 10-minute worth of usage. And once the trimmer is fully charged, you get 90 minutes of usage time on a full charge. Because it uses a USB cable for charging, you can use it with a power bank if the battery runs out, so you can have it plugged into a power bank and continue to use it. It has steel blades which are self-sharpening and have a 0.5 mm precision, which allows for the various sizes that are available on the trimmer. Another cool feature is the travel lock. So if you press the power button for 3 seconds, it will lock the trimmer. So if you pop it in a bag and it usually ends up discharged on the other side of your trip, in this scenario you can lock the power button so it will not discharge while it's in your bag, which is a fantastic feature to have, and I think most trimmers should have that. Now, the trimmer is already available for pre-order on the Mi website, and you can buy it on Amazon starting 27th of June. The trimmer is completely water resistant at IPX7, so you can completely wash it if you get your hair stuck in it. Pretty cool design trimmer, and for the price it's a really good value proposition, and you can imagine that it's going to sell out really quickly and stocks are going to be available less for this particular product. If you're interested, go check it out. We leave links and buying links in the description below. The price is 1199 and it goes on sale on the 27th at noon. That's it for this video, guys. If you liked it, don't forget to smash the like button, hit the subscribe button if you're not already a part of Team iGyaan. This has been Bharat. Thank you guys for watching. I'll see you in the next one.